Hello, my name is John, and today I will show you how to create a live tracking map on FlutterFlow that is using Supabase. So this is not just a route, it's a live route that when the user moves, it changes and all the other users can see it. And also you can see custom markers for all the users. But let's see actually how it works. So here I can enter my name, and you can enter any image too, and also a route. And then select the destination. If multiple users use the same route name, they will see the same map. So we will start from scratch and we will do all the steps together. First, you need to connect a Supabase. You need to activate this and set the URL. And get the schema that you created before. So now, great, we see now all the tables we created. Also, be sure to create an edge function using the code that you can find inside your project. To make that function works, go also here and create the Google Maps API key by entering Google Maps API key and your API key here. The next thing is to create the app stage. Move values between pages and from the map back to FlutterFlow page. So we will need to create all the app state as we have in our template. Please be sure to use the same names and types and add default values. So the first app state is called tapped, and when you click in a marker, the map will save the lat long of this marker into this app state. Then we have the image URL, which is the value that we save when you click on a marker inside the map, and is type image path. For all of this, you can make them persist so you don't lose the value when you refresh the page. And you will need to create all of this. Then you will need to create one custom function and one custom action. The custom function is to calculate the distance between two markers and show this in the tooltip. And click Save. Now we need to create the custom widget, which is the main widget that shows the map and calculates the route and presents it to all users at the same time. So copy paste the code, change the widget name and click Yes. Now don't forget to add the dependencies here. So one last thing that we need to do here, we need to add the page that it will be the FlutterFlow map widget, so it imports the map package, and this will make it work on Android and iOS, because otherwise we will have issues. So you need to import the Google Maps from FlutterFlow here. This it will trigger these errors, which says that you need to add the keys here. So the same key that you added on the Supabase, it must be added here in all of these three boxes. And to add the custom widget inside your screen, you need to go here, click this and drag this custom widget, and then you need to set all of these parameters. To save us time, we'll show you from our project how we set all of these parameters. So first, here are all the upstates. All the upstates are ready, and we will connect them here as a parameter. So you have the uploaded image, the route name, the destination, the user type, and when someone clicks on the map, we trigger this update upstate and the bottom sheet that shows the information about which user, the distance between them. So here is the first screen that collects the information. It can be any in your screen, and you don't need to use exactly the same format. So here we have an action that you can upload any image on Supabase and save this into an upstate. So you can connect this to the map and everyone see a custom marker inside the map. And then when we click continue, we pass some of the information into the upstate. So the username, the destination, and the route name. So the route name, when many users use the same route name, all of them will see the same route into the map and everybody's markers. To define, so the marker have two types of users. The user type A, which is all the users that starts a route are type A, and user B, that are the users that they see the route of the user A. So here we do have a condition that checks if this route already exists inside Supabase, and if it doesn't exist, this user is the first one, so is user A, and if it exists, we set as user B, and then we navigate to the screen that is the map. And let's test it one final time. So here I'm adding my destination. Of course, the location must be activated, and you can add a custom image if you wish. And the route is created. So when I start working, the route will start changing, and everybody that has the same route name will see my route. And that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to write it in the comments below or send us a message in our website. In the comments you will find all the code for the edge function, custom function, and the custom widget that you see here. We will be happy to help you add this into your project. Also, we suggest to subscribe to our channel so you can see the next videos that we will upload the next days. Thank you so much.